Dimensional Mechanics is a company that was founded in 2015. Our focus is on making AI simple and accessible to most developers and also reduce the amount of time it takes to code. But we have an overarching goal, which is really about it is solve a business problem. You have a business problem, you have a question that you want to have answered. How do you get that question answered based on the data that you have? And that's how we think about it, and that's what Dimensional Mechanics is all about. As a result of that, we have created a platform for AI that is really a game changer. AI Studio is our key product, which is part of the NeoPulse framework. It's an AI that builds AI. You give it instructions via a language that we created called the NeoPulse modeling language. It's probably the first language that's uniquely designed for deep learning. You write your code in NML, you submit it to AI Studio, it compiles it and produces a deep learning solution trained on your data. We can handle all data types, whether it's audio, video, text, images, we can process all of that. Using AI Studio, you don't have to know much about deep learning, and you can build some very, very sophisticated models in just 14 lines of code. The NeoPulse modeling language has a keyword called auto. If you specify auto in your code, it will actually compile the code with the right machine learning architecture in place. That is a pretty unique construct in the industry. Once you've built your model, then what do you do with it? Well, AI Studio will allow you to export that. And that model can now be moved anywhere. You can move it from one cloud to another cloud. You can move it from on-premise to one of these two clouds. That portability is an important part. We are agnostic to clouds, and if you look at some of our competitors, they are not so agnostic. They are very much bound to certain platforms. In our case, we don't care. We allow you to port AI anywhere in the universe. Our ability to cut costs for businesses is unparalleled. We did a head-to-head comparison. There was a project, it took 6 months to 18 months to get it complete. Cost the company about $300,000, and they were only able to get like 40 or 50% accuracy in terms of the model. In our case, it was the exact same thing, exact same problem, 1 month, less than $1,000 for that month, and we were able to get to about 82, 83% accuracy. I mean, you're talking about 1% of the cost at double the accuracy. I mean, you can't get more disruptive than that. Right now, we're kind of at the beginning of a major revolution. We know that machine learning is coming. We know that machine learning is becoming big. It's an incredible year-on-year growth. It's going to like the $100 billion range by around 2020. Most of the investment opportunities are in these verticals that are highly competitive. There are thousands of AI companies out there, but all competing on verticals. We're not a vertical, we are horizontal, so we can address all the different machine learning problems. So literally with AI Studio, you do not need any other machine learning technology. This is the opportunity to invest in a disruptive technology that can completely transform how people build machine learning solutions. We are the platform for the next generation of AI. AI is a revolution. Every revolution is driven by a platform, and that platform is AI Studio. NeoPulse, machine learning simplified.